The University of Winnipeg is a very special partner with Boys and Girls Clubs of Winnipeg, and I have had the privilege over many years of being somebody who was involved in that particular partnership. I have to say that since 2005, we have a very specific relationship with the University of Winnipeg through our CSI Summer Learning Program for our inner city kids. And in that particular case, the Faculty of Science partnered with us to ensure that every one of our CSI kids, it was about 120 in 2005 and over 1,000 last year, probably around 1,100 this year, that every one of those children has the opportunity to spend a day in the science labs at the University of Winnipeg. And that they have trained young people, students from the University of Winnipeg, shepherding them, getting them to join in exciting activities, and making sure that our children know that university is a place that they can actually go to once they finish their studies. And to me, that is an extremely important thing. Why that's so important is that in our clubs, although we have all kinds of exciting things for the kids in terms of particularly food and sports and recreation and so on, there is always an academic component. And I, for one, never apologize for that. Matter of fact, one of my head things at the Winnipeg Boys and Girls Clubs is to keep pushing for more academics in the clubs. Not to make the kids feel like they're going back to school again, but certainly for them to know how important it is that we think they are capable young people who are going to be able to graduate and go to post-secondary education. So to us, partnerships with universities is very important. The other very specific partnership that I am supposed to talk about today is one that I value very much. A few years ago, I was absolutely delighted when the University of Winnipeg decided that it was going to make a service learning course compulsory for all the education students in their second year. And when my friend Vern Barrett called me to say that they were doing this, I was absolutely thrilled because we've been talking about this for many years. And then, of course, after talking to me very nicely about the fact that they're having this service learning course, the real reason he was calling me is he wanted me to come and speak to his service learning classes, which I was delighted to do. So for a couple of years, I went out and spoke to the service learning classes. But I said a couple of things to them. And one is that service learning is a duty on the part of anybody who thinks they're going to be working with children afterwards. And that they better learn as much as they possibly can during their courses, because when they got out into the schools, they were going to be able to use that knowledge, but they also needed to serve their community beyond the boundaries of the school. I did say to them, though, I was very biased, very partial. I said there was one very special organization in the city which I wanted them to consider to become a part of, and that was the Boys and Girls Clubs of Winnipeg. I said to them at that time that a couple of reasons why I wanted them to do this. One is that they were going to be getting an absolutely amazing experience with an organization that cares about kids and who will place them in such a position that when they left that training and went out in the community, they would feel extremely confident about how to serve our children. And I say that very proudly because I know what goes on at the Boys and Girls Clubs of Winnipeg. So every young person from the University of Winnipeg that's gone through the Winnipeg Boys and Girls Clubs volunteer program knows that that's true. And we get more and more people coming out each year. The numbers are somewhere in the booklet, I think, but I was just absolutely amazed. And this comes from Vern Barrett. Vern Barrett wrote to Heather about this program, and Heather has done an amazing job of training these volunteers, putting them through their paces, and giving them a quality volunteer experience with our children. But Vern said the following. He said, unfortunately he couldn't be here tonight, but he said, this is indeed our 6th year of partnership. The service learning program has placed over 1,800 students with partner agencies where they have served over 72,000 hours. In that time, we've had over 300 students served with Boys and Girls Clubs of Winnipeg for a total of 12,000 hours at your sites. The University of Winnipeg education students have grown in so many ways when they have served at Boys and Girls Clubs of Winnipeg. They have developed compassion, understanding, and leadership in ways that are not possible in a classroom setting. Student reflections have shown that so many of them have found new meaning in their quest to be an effective educator. And he quotes some reflections from students, one of which says, talking about a student, one of the students at the U of W says, I can see how much she wants to read now. She just waits for me. And that is something that warms my heart when I hear the connections that volunteers can make with these children, and to make them feel so very special. It is also very good for the university students, and I have no hesitation in telling them that it makes them better people, better human beings, better qualified to go out and do the best service possible for our children. So it benefits our kids, but it certainly benefits these young people. I am very partial to the fact that we have to make every one of our students, particularly in the education faculty, somebody who's service-oriented, somebody who knows that their job when they qualify and become teachers is not just to teach the children in the classroom, but to serve the children in the community. So I thank them all. I thank the colleagues from the University of Winnipeg who are here tonight for being here. We appreciate you. We hope you carry back the message that Boys and Girls Clubs of Winnipeg appreciate the University of Winnipeg, and we want you to continue partnering with us to make sure that all our children feel special, all our children feel qualified to come to the University of Winnipeg when they finish at our clubs. So thank you all very much indeed.